So today we'll try to discuss like what is network. So what is a basic kind of network? So a network is a so for example if somebody asks that what is a network, so a network in that a network refers as a system or interconnected devices like computers that can communicate and share resources with each other. So for example if somebody is asking that what is the definition of a network, so a network refers a system of interconnected devices like computers that can communicate and share the resources with each other. So each connections can be physical like cables or wireless like so all this will be more details of we should also know about what is a LAN, WAN or PAN. So these are the different network basic components. So we should be aware of it, but we are not going in that we are not going into that direction. So today I'm just trying to teach you about like what is a network. So a network, I mean, just what is a network? So generally, so a computer network is a collection of communicating a computers and other devices. So is a collection of communicating computers and other devices and other devices such as printers, small phones in order to communicate with over the over the internet. So if you want to connect, then we go with a network. So we need to know about the basic definitions of so what is internet. So what is network. So then what is IP. So what is that port number. So then, what is IP? These are the very basic questions. So when it comes with networking, so what is IP and what is what is ISO layer? I mean, so ISO layer. So ISO layer, ISO layer. So ISO layer. So these are the very basic things you need to be remember. So like what do you mean by IP, the network? So for example, when it comes with network, so when it comes with network, so a network in the context of computing, so computing in the sense like calculation of operations, it refers to a system of interconnected devices like computer that can communicate and share the resources with each other. So a computer network is a collection of communicating computers and other devices such as printers, smartphones inside the network. Then we go with these networks. So computer network is a collection of computing the resources. So for example, if you want to know that what is an internet, so what is internet? So you should also know about so what is internet. So the internet is nothing but so internet simply called as the net, a worldwide system of interconnected computers network and electronic devices that can communicate with each other using an established set of protocols. So you should know about even protocols also. There, what are the different types of protocols? TCP/IP protocols, UDP protocols. There are different types of protocols. So I mean, the internet was convenienced by the Advanced Research Project. So in the US government 1969. So basically, so when it comes with the definition of the internet is so internet sometimes simply called the net. So net means over that. So is a worldwide system of it's a worldwide system of interconnected computers network. So it is a interconnected computers network and electronic devices that can communicate with each other using an established set of protocol. What do you mean this one? So you know the meaning of computer. Okay, you know the meaning of network. So what is the meaning of network? So I mean, if you go with what is network? So what is a network? So the network is a network in the context of computing refers as a system of interconnected devices. So when it comes with computer, so what do you mean by network? A network is a network is a context of computing. It refers to systems interconnected devices. So in a system, whatever the interconnected devices are connected, like computers communicating within the resources and all, that will be a part of a network. So whereas when it comes with the internet, so internet is nothing but so it's a kind of net. So I mean, for example, assume that. the entire globe. So there are lots of URLs. For example, let's take it as Flipkart, Amazon, IRCTC. I mean, there are lot of lot of URLs. So lot of services over the internet. So if you are I mean, lot of the services. I mean, so I have developed I have developed some program. So I have developed some application. Some you developed some applications. Others have developed some other applications. So the persons have developed their a persons have developed their applications. Now everyone wants to make use of one and other. So one and other. Then because so eventually the programs runs on computers only. Eventually programs runs on computers only. So basically computer and computer networks only it will run. So if you want to access the program which is developed by me and vice versa by others, in that case we need internet. So we need internet. So simply the internet is a component. Sometimes we call it as a net. It's a worldwide system of interconnected computer networks, which means that so over the internet, over I mean so simply since multiple peoples have developed their programs in order to access the programs or in order to communicate all those computers computers internally interconnected of those computers, that we can call it as internet, that we can call it as a internet. So similarly we should also know about what is port. So port is nothing but similarly again same. So for example, if you go with what is a port, so all these are general terminology I'm specifying. So in a computing, a port is a communication endpoint, a logical structure that identifies a specific process or type of network service kind of device. So inside a device, if you are running more than one services, if you are running more than one service, so more than one service, so with help of port, we can able to we can able to communicate with those endpoints. It's a kind of a logical construction that identifies a specific process or type of network, so service and devices. So you know that what is a process? A process is running instance of program. There are few programs which requires a port. There are few programs which doesn't require a port. So port in the sense like, so if you are trying to communicate over the internet or internally, so this is a kind of the endpoint. So each program, I mean, so in order to avoid the in order to avoid the collision, so we do have a ports. We do have a ports, and we do have we're also having a IP. IP is nothing but, so what is an IP? So IP is nothing but internet protocol. So IP is nothing but the internet protocol. So which is a set of rules governing the format of data sent via the internet or local network. So basically I'm not going to touch deeper level, but as a support engineer or if we are going to learn about if we are going to learn about system, we should know about all these basics like what is the meaning of network. So what is the meaning of internet? What is the meaning of IP? What is the meaning of protocol? So it just a high level. So what is the meaning of protocol? So I mean internet protocol. We call it as IP, nothing but internet protocol. So basically, the internet protocol, which is a the set of rules governing the format of data sent via the internet or local network. So in essence, IP address are identifier that allows the information to be sent between devices or devices on a network. So over the network, so if you want to if you want to if you want to perform the operations on the data between the devices network, so it required this IP. So basically generally we do have a IPsar. I mean there will be IPv4 and IPv6. V6. What do you mean by IPv4 and IPv6? So IPv4 means it's a four it's a four length bytes. For example, if you go with here, so if you execute host name hyphen I, so for example, IPA, this is a, so IPA means Internet Protocol. A means, so this is the four digit length. So 192.168.0.135. Whereas, for example, if you go with NS lookup, so www dot youtube youtube.com. So I mean, if you go on Linux, so for example, if you go on Windows, Windows or CMD. So there is a net strat command and all. So I mean there will be a, so okay, this is a 4 digit okay length okay IP address. So because we are having okay okay length, I mean this is the position 1, positions 2, position 3, position 4. And similarly if it is a 6 digit, there will be one more okay, there will be a like 192.168.0.135 dot 122 dot like okay, it will be a 6 digit. So as part of IPv6, it is also a combination of okay numbers and okay characters. It's also a combination of numbers and okay characters. Okay, for example, so IPv6 okay IPv6 address. So how the IPv6 address looks like? So okay, the IPv6 okay, address okay looks like. So it is a combination of okay characters. So here is the numbers. For example, okay here colon 1 2 3 4. So total okay 6. So here it is a, so it will be combination of okay numbers and okay digits, numbers and okay digits, numbers and so digits. So the Internet Protocol version 6 is a numeric label okay that is used to identify the network under. It's a long story is there in backend. So you just if you are more interested, we can go through on that. Then even okay, for example over the internet, so whenever you are trying to okay perform the operations, so we do have a ISO layer, right? So ISO layer, so as part of this okay ISO layer, so there will be total like 7 layers. So okay, application layer, presentation, session, transport, network, data link. So you should be also having a very high level logic, okay, high level knowledge okay, on okay here as well. So because okay, since we are going to okay, I mean these are the total okay 7 layers. So application, okay, application layer, presentation, session, transport, okay, network, no, okay, network, data and physical. So for example, okay, I mean in order to identify okay easily, okay, they come up with a one okay, shortcut card. All people seems to need data processing. So all people, okay, all people okay seems to need data processing. So okay, here A represents the application, P represents the presentation layer, S represents the session, T represents the transport. So if you're unable to remember okay, if you're unable to remember the remember layers, we can also okay, remember this sentence: all people seems to need data processing. So all people seems to need okay data processing. So in this case, A represents the all, P represents the presentation, session and okay layer. So here just go through about okay this layer, I mean this documentation. This will be okay really okay helpful. This will be really so okay helpful. So how the network. So for example, so over the internet, so if you go with okay physical layer, so we do have an application layer, right? So application layer means so okay used by the communicate to that end users, presentation, session, so the transport, the network. So network is the main thing, then data link and physical. So you need to be understand how it is going to be okay work, how it is going to be so work. So this is also one of the important okay, ISO OSI model we need to be okay understand. So along with that, so we should also okay learn about we should also learn about so what is a switch, then okay what is a okay router, and what is a okay proxy, so PROXY proxy, and okay even we should also I mean high level only, not okay inner level, then okay TCP okay IP, and okay UDP, and okay DHCP, so okay then okay DNS, so okay DNS. So these are the so basic component okay we need to learn so as part of okay network. So even so if you are going to get an opportunity to work on any organization, so you should also I mean these are the very basics, right? For example, if you go to even as part of our engineering also, so these topics are okay available. So I mean what is a ISO layer, so what are the different layers of ISO layers? What are the different layers? So all, so okay, all people okay seems to be process okay their okay data. So total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here A means application, presentation, session, transport, and okay then okay the different okay, layers will be available on okay one by one. Different layers are available on so okay one by one. So okay here all people so okay seems to need okay, seems to need okay data, seems to need okay data, okay processing data, so okay processing. So okay here okay network data link layer and so okay physical okay layer. So this is the layer. So you can go through on okay each and every layer. So you will come to know that. So basically the application layer is nothing but so where if you are going to learn okay where so all the applications. This is the first layer. So application in the sense like okay this is also okay Chrome and okay this layer is closest to that end user. However so all the softwares like any softwares are running on application layer, then like a presentation layer, so it will I mean the data will be converted in the form of zeros and ones, and the session layer will be sessions will be established, transport layer will be like the same okay how the data will be transferred over the network. So okay then network layer, so which network we are going to use IPv4 IPv6, then data link and physical layer. So just go through it at a high level. So okay, will be I mean you don't need to be learned, but so if you are having a knowledge at a high level, so if you are having a knowledge at a high level, that will be okay, really okay, that will be really so helpful. That will be really so okay, helpful. So ISO layer is having total okay 7. We can also be okay remember. So okay, I mean so application layer okay how it's going to okay help. So similarly, so okay, we do have a okay switches, we do have a okay routers. So we should also okay know about I mean we should also be okay having okay knowledge on okay okay here. So we should also okay having a knowledge on so okay what is okay switch, okay what is a switch, okay what is a switch, and then okay what is a router, so what is a proxy, this you need to be okay understand. So for example, so when it comes with okay switch, okay a switch in a computer network, okay basically you know the network also, right? So what is a network? So network is a network are the interconnected okay devices, okay interconnected devices okay inside a computer. So okay here, so when it comes with okay when it comes with when it comes with the switch okay switch okay switch means so SP okay basically okay switch okay operates at okay switch okay operates at okay layer 2. So what is okay layer 2? So okay, what is okay layer 2? Layer 2 is a data link layer. Data link okay layer. So data link layer. So okay basically so it uses the MAC address. What is the meaning of okay okay I mean basically it uses the MAC address. So basically it creates a separate collision domains for each connected okay devices with each connected devices. And okay can I mean so since it is in okay, okay layer 2, it will also communicate with the okay layer 3. So basically a switch is nothing but so a switch is a hardware device that connects like okay devices like computers, printers. So okay within the okay LAN. So what is the meaning of LAN? So LAN means local area okay network. So okay LAN means local area okay network. So within that computer network, so if you want to connect okay, all the okay devices okay interconnect, then okay we go with okay this okay switches. Then okay, then so for example the same in even in our home also we do have a switchboard, right? What is the meaning of okay the switchboard? So okay I mean the entire home we are going to okay manage the network okay the okay switchboard. So each switch will be uniquely identified okay each device, right? For example bulb okay fan. So even though if you are inside the home okay we are going to okay, operate okay, from here at the same way okay, even the same okay, concept on okay, okay, concept on okay, computer as well, the switch as well. Then okay, we do have a okay router as well. Okay, I mean okay, even we do have a okay router. So what is the meaning of okay router? So router is also okay part of networking component. So okay that connects the different networks together and route the data basically. So what is the intent of okay router? So a router is okay, it's a network device. Okay, it's a okay network device. Okay, that connects okay different okay networks, so different different networks, different networks okay together, that connects okay different okay networks okay together and okay route the data and route the data okay from one network to okay another, from one network to so okay, okay network to another. So usually between the LAN and okay internets. So this is the, I mean, okay, even so the router works, okay, the router works also works on okay layer three. So what is the okay layer three? So okay, layer three is a okay, layer three is a okay network layer. So basically the router works on a okay layer okay three. So let okay networks work on a layer okay three. Then okay, we do have a okay proxy also. We do have a so okay proxy also. So okay, I mean so proxy is nothing but so okay, what is the meaning of okay proxy? The proxy is nothing but it acts as the intermediate between a client and okay computer. So under the destination okay servers. So basically, so if you go with okay proxy, if you go to a bank, so okay, inside a bank, the moment when you go to a bank, there is a one security guy. The security guy, what it does, so it will try to so okay, I mean for example, there are okay four okay persons okay there are okay four persons who is working at okay who is okay I mean there are four persons where they are going to okay okay deposit the money withdraw okay they are mainly interacting with the customers. Now so there are 10 members okay reach to the bank, then they will go to that security I mean what security guy will does, so he will give a okay he will give a slips, will say that you go to the counter number 1 2 3 4 like that. So it is going to act as a mediator, right? So it is going to act as a intermediator between the so clients and okay, clients and the persons who are in the bank. Similarly, the same concept on okay here also. A proxy is nothing is a server that acts as a intermediator between a client and destination layer. So that is the so even we can also okay, hide the client's IP address. We can also filter the topics. So there are okay, multiple advantages also. So, for example, if you are going with counter number one, so you need not to be okay, tell his name, right? What is the name of the counter number 1 2 3 4? You are just going that. So 1 2 3 4, and you are finishing your work. But okay, this guy knows it. What is the okay? What is the name? One is associated. The number one is associated. That we can able to that knowledge is okay. Those details are having by the security guy. Here also the okay proxy. So there are okay, I mean, these are the maximum. And we're also having, okay, TCP IP. So, okay, TCP, okay, and okay, IP, I mean, TCP IP means, so, okay, it is a transmission control, okay, protocol. So, okay, basically, or we can also call it as internet protocol. So, okay, where it works, okay, where it works on a, okay, layer, okay, I mean, okay, it is, okay, it is going to, okay, act as a, it is going to okay I mean so this is TCP IP layer okay, it's contains is a kind of so TCP IP is okay they renamed it as I mean as part of so ISO layer we're having okay seven as part of ISO we're having seven layers, right? But okay as part of okay TCP we're only having the okay, four layers. One is okay network layer, okay network okay layer, and okay we're also having the okay internet layer. So okay internet layer, then okay transport layer and okay application layer and okay application okay layer. So okay, application okay layer. So okay, I mean okay the network okay means the in OSI layer okay physical layer and okay data link layer together okay I mean they are going to as okay internet. Then okay the same okay three okay, internet layer and okay then transport and okay 5 6 7 okay we can call it as okay application layer. So it is okay, reduced okay three okay layers. And okay, we're also having okay UDP. So okay, I mean we're also having okay UDP and okay DHCP and okay DNS as well. So when it comes with okay UDP okay is defined as okay UDP okay is defined as okay user defined okay protocol. So user okay, datagram protocol. So this is a okay connectionless okay oriented. So UDP is nothing but so okay UDP is defined as a user okay data program protocol. So user okay data okay program okay protocol. So user data program okay protocol program okay protocol. So this is also okay this is also okay it stands as a okay okay I mean so it is a transport layer okay, protocol. So it's a fast and connectionless oriented. So basically the UDP where do we go with UDP means for example okay I mean you are trying to okay watch okay you are trying to watch a movie on okay YouTube or okay, or you are trying to watch a movie on okay Netflix or okay wherever it is. So now between assume that in your mobile you have I mean you I mean you switch I mean you log into YouTube and you are going to okay you are going to watch a movie or you are going to download a movie or you are going to listen the songs. So all this will be follows the UDP protocol. So user data program so protocol because they are the connection okay less they are the connection less oriented and okay but the faster and lightweight also. But there are some okay drawbacks if you go with okay TCP so which is okay which is standard one. But people will also go with the UDP. So for example assume that you are downloading a movie. So for example if something goes to your network again you can okay, download right. So it's not a problem. So okay I mean where so for data streaming and okay, for those okay for few scenarios we are going with okay UDP protocol. And we're also having a DSCP. So okay, this one is okay, dynamic okay host configuration okay protocol. So dynamic okay, host configuration okay protocol. So this is also I mean you need not to remember okay everything. So but okay but so okay these are the okay maximum things okay which are having on so networking side. So DHCP is nothing but so dynamic okay okay host configuration protocol. So it's okay. It automatic. Okay, basically, if you are having a okay multiple devices, so with the help of DSCP, we can able to assign the okay IP addresses. We can able to assign the okay IP addresses for okay, okay IP addresses of each device over the okay network. That is the meaning of DHCP. The name itself dynamic dynamic okay host configuration okay protocol okay protocol. So this is the okay meaning of okay DH okay CP. So DNS means domain name services, so which is a unique representation of okay each domain. Okay again DNS is a kind of a database where okay which will be okay having okay different it also starts with okay root. It's again a biggest topic. So generally so if you want to explain about all these topics, it we may require like a minimum 1 week of time. So to explain about each and okay every and okay even if you go with IP addresses, IP addresses is also having different classes, class A, class B, class C, class D, class E. There are many, so okay, I can't I mean cover all of them because our goal is to learn the okay, Unix. So I already explained about the commands which are going to work on internet. So if you are still having a more okay, interest on the net, okay, I mean the, okay, in that networking command, so we can okay, learn. So what is a network? What is the internet network? So then what is the okay, port? What is the IP and okay, what is the difference of IPv4 and IPv6? All these things okay, we can able to okay, what we can able to okay, learn it. So any doubts? So it's clear, right? But I request everyone to go through about either Chat GPT. There are okay, many okay, places, so we can okay, explore okay, yourself more. But this will definitely okay, help us. Okay, this will okay, definitely okay, help us. So first you need to start. Okay, you know the what is a computer, right? Computer is electronic device. So which is a combination of I mean, so from there, okay, we need to learn, okay, understand. So what is a network? So what is okay, internet? So all these things so you need to be okay, you need to be okay, okay, learn from okay your side. So that okay, you will at the end, so you will be okay having some knowledge about networking as well. So yesterday we were discussing about okay, VM stat as well. So before going there, so if you're having any doubts, let me know. But I request everybody to go through about all these okay concepts, all these okay concepts. Otherwise, so okay, you can't able to okay remember. So even nowadays, okay, people are asking. a little bit questions at a high level. We can't able to predict, right? So what kind of questions we are going to get, all those details. So it's better, okay, if you learn okay, all this, okay, okay, terminology. So any doubts? No. So as I said that first you need to be, I mean, in order to understand, so you must be having knowledge on what is a computer, right? So basically, what is a computer? So computer is nothing but electronic device. So okay, that processes the data, basically whatever the data, and perform some task, okay, based on the instructions. So it can also store, retrieve. There are multiple operations we can able to perform the computer. So computer is combination of two things. Well, combination of hardware plus okay, software. Software we know that we are already learning okay, Linux. What is a hardware? What are the hardware components on okay, computer? CPU, RAM, keyboard, monitor, NIC cables, and okay, DIM, dual inline memory module, and okay, fan. All these are the okay, hardware. Okay, all these are the hardware devices. So as I told you that, then from the computer, the network will come into the picture. So a network is a group of okay, two or more computers or devices connected together to share the resources, okay, like okay, files, okay, printers, and the internet. That okay, we can call it as okay, network. So network is nothing but so a group of okay, two or okay, more computers or okay, devices, not only computer or okay, devices connected okay, together okay, to share the okay, resources. For example, so we all connected okay, on a Zoom call to discuss about to discuss about a topic called we are going to discuss, right? We are going to communicate. So this is also kind of network. So there are a group of okay, one or more people connected okay, by using by using a device called okay, Zoom, and we are okay, sharing our thoughts. Similarly, the same thing. So network is nothing but okay, it's a okay, group of okay, two or okay, more computers or okay, devices, any devices connected together to share the resources. So there are two types of the okay, resources, right? One is LAN. So if you connected through the LAN, which is okay, inside the network, so which is the inside local area network, and WAN, wide area network. So okay, large okay, wide area okay, network. So for example, okay, as I told you that okay, then we're also having okay, internet. So internet is also a so the same thing okay, the worldwide and all we connect. So these are the options. So I hope okay, we deviated. I mean, today we have deviated the topic, but okay, these topics will definitely help you. So these topics will definitely okay help you okay to understand okay basic terminology about basic terminology. So any doubts? No. So we were discussing about the few more networking commands. So the networking commands, so we learn about okay lots of commands. So okay, we have vmstat, then I okay trace route, TCP dump. The TCP dump and all. So I mean trace route. We discussed about trace route also yesterday, and LSYF also. LSYF means so list of okay open files. For example, if you want to know that, so what are all the okay files which got open that can be achieved okay by using this okay LSYF. Then okay, the VM stat is also one of the very important command. So okay, VM okay stat. So virtual memory okay statistics. So by default okay we'll get so memory swap IO system and okay CPU. So how they are going to okay perform, and okay VM stat okay hyphen okay help. So we will come to know that if you go with okay hyphen A, so all the active, and okay if you go with okay hyphen okay M, so okay slabs. I mean okay the details and okay we'll try to get it. And okay, here the important option is if you want to get the okay, disk statistics, we can also use this okay hyphen D. So hyphen D is also one of the very important on okay disk. So the disk you know that, right? For example, if you go with a disk, so I mean disk we always perform the IO operations. What are the meaning of IO operation? Input and output. So input means we are trying to store some data. Output means we are trying to retrieve the data. So similarly, whenever you are trying to read the data and whenever you are trying to write the data, so data eventually stores on like a hard disk. So you want to know that, so how the performance of the hard disk, how the hard disk is going to perform. So how the hard disk is going to perform, what is the RPM details, how many reads. So the total there are okay, four disks: SDA, SR0, DM0, DM1. So also the okay, same thing. So how many are the okay, total reads, how many are the sectors, and okay, how much is the RP rotation per minute. All those details okay, we can able to get by using this. So VM stats, VM stat is also one of the very important okay, feature where okay, we use it okay, as part of okay, monitoring, as part of okay, monitoring. So I hope okay, this is clear for okay, everyone. So okay, still any doubts on okay here? So any doubts? Okay. Now today okay, we'll discuss about a command called okay, curl and a wget. So curl and wget. So with the help of okay, curl and wget, what we can do is these are also part of okay, network. These are also part of okay, network. So basically, so the curl command first we'll try to learn about. So wget are okay, okay, wget are okay, both are okay, same. So that okay, wget command, what it does is, so for example, assume that, so over the internet, so over the internet, or okay, simply if you want to download a files, if you want to download a files, okay, from the internet, okay, from the internet, okay, then okay, we can okay, then okay, we can use this okay, wget command. So wget command is a non-interactive tool to download the files. So by using a protocol called HTTP or HTTPS or FTP protocol, whichever the protocol, we can able to okay, download. So basically, so okay, for example, okay, if you go with okay, wget command, so wget command, so for example, okay, wget, so you are having a okay, file. For example, let's consider. So okay, you want to okay, download okay, Aadhaar card, something okay, there is a so URL. So for example, okay, I mean there is a okay, place. So okay, or okay, there is a place where okay, if you want to download, so there is a okay, if you want to download a file. So in this case, so okay, we can use this okay, wget https. So whatever the URL, okay, then okay, URL name, okay, then okay, file name, okay, file name. For example, assume that so you want to download okay, song. So you okay, download. Okay, okay, download. Okay, for example, so there is a okay, there is okay, okay. These are the URLs. So for example, these are the so okay URLs. So now you want to click on okay, this download. So for example, when you click on okay, this download, so this is the okay, okay, this is a okay, this is the okay, you are downloading it on okay, internet. So you are now you are trying to download it on okay, you are trying to okay, okay, download it on okay, Windows, right? Similarly, if you want to download okay, directly from that okay, internet, so okay, we can use this okay, wget command. So we can use this okay, wget command. So we can use this okay, wget command. So wget command is also a so important utility. So okay, where okay, if you want to download the files okay, from over the internet to okay, here, then okay, we can go with okay, then okay, we can go with this okay, wget okay, command. And okay, even okay, there are okay, multiple options, so wget then file name. So if the URL is okay, for example, if you want to okay, if you want to pass the okay, URL, so okay, if you want to okay, pass that okay, URL, so okay, if you want to okay, if you want to okay, but we are also having a options called so wget hyphen o. So for example, there is a file name called okay, ABC. So if you are okay, if you want to download the file with okay, different name, for example, def okay, dot txt. So for example, okay, here there is a file name called abc dot okay, txt, abc dot okay, txt. ABC dot okay, txt. So if you go with okay, this web okay, I mean for example, if you go with okay, this pattern, so hyphen o, okay, without a hyphen o, okay, it will try to download the file. It will try to download the file, and it keeps the file name as abs.txt. Whereas if you want to rename the file with okay, different, we can also use okay, hyphen okay, o, hyphen o. We can also okay, use it. So okay, I mean hyphen capital, okay, oh sorry. Now we can also okay, I mean, so okay, if you want to pass any username and password, so even we can also okay, use okay username and okay password as well. So for example, so wget. So okay, for example, if you go with okay wget, so hyphen u, so okay username hyphen p. Okay, we can also okay, if you don't okay enter the password, it will ask you to enter the password. Then okay URL followed by the okay file name. This also we can able to so use it. So if you want to okay limit that okay rate, there are okay many okay, options on wget. So there are many options on okay wget. So even okay if you want to okay even okay if you want to okay pass the certificates, even that also we can able to okay pass it. And okay if you want, there are okay many, so timeout and okay, wait quota, these are that okay recursively. And okay, even if you want to pass the security, so hyphen CA certificates is equals to cert file, private file, everything we can able to okay, pass it. So okay, even if you execute the wget hyphen help, we can able to okay make okay use of that okay utilities. So mainly wget is a command. So with help of wget, we can able to download the files over the internet. So over the okay, internet. So from by using the any protocol. The syntax is just wget, then location followed by the okay, file name. Location followed by the okay file name. So whichever the file name we are going to specify, we can able to download. So if it is a, so then a URL can be contains the, so there are few URLs without a username and password we can download. In that case, it's fine. So there are, if you want to download it, if you want to pass your username and password, then we can also pass by using the username password hyphen u and like hyphen p. Whereas if your okay, URL is also enabled that okay, TDSSL, then okay, if you want to pass the certificate, we can also pass the certificate file name as well. So these are the three ways. We can also specify the timeout and okay, okay, even okay, download okay, speed and okay, all those details we can able to specify by using this okay, wget okay, command. So even whenever when you use that m command, so whenever you are using the m command, so m hyphen y okay, download something, then internally it calls the wget command, it download the files which are needed and okay, it okay, which are needed. Now so we're also having another command called okay, curl. So curl is also nothing but, so okay, copy URL. So nothing is, see, curl is nothing but, so okay, curl okay, copy okay URL. So mainly, so it is a powerful okay command okay command line okay tool. Basically what we can do is with the help of okay wget. So okay by using wget, so okay by using wget we can only download. So we can only okay download. Whereas, so whereas if you go with okay if you okay if you go with okay curl, we can download, we can download, or okay we can extract, or okay we can upload. So we can okay upload also we can able to do that. So there are okay different okay methods on okay curl command. Get, okay get is the okay one okay get, okay even okay we're also okay having okay get, okay put, okay then okay post, okay then update, then okay delete. So these are the so different options okay we're having on okay curl command. So curl is the one of the most okay okay more, I mean we use that curl command okay heavily on our daily operations. So where if you want to download, okay we can also call it as okay APS. In order to work on the APIs, so there are some okay APS, application programming interfaces. So if you want to okay, work with that okay APS, so we use this okay curl command. Okay, we use this curl command okay to work on okay APS, to work on the so okay APS. For example, if you go with okay curl, so curl hyphen okay help. So this many we can able to get it. So curl is nothing but to download, okay, to upload. So all those kind of operations okay, we can able to get by using this okay man okay curl. So for example,
तो पूरा उठा था।
so can you go on mute, please? So okay, if you go on okay curl, so I mean there are many okay, options on a curl command. So similarly, assume that okay, if you want to okay download the okay file, for example, okay curl. So I'm going to okay read this. I'm going to this is the okay data I want to okay read it. So if you mention just curl of this command greater than, so okay greater than greater than okay, abc dot okay abc dot okay songs for example, okay then just mention okay kusi underscore okay songs dot okay txt, the entire text so will be copied and place it into okay this okay files. For example, if you go with okay cat, we can able to see the text. So whatever the text which is there on okay over the internet, it is downloaded and it is placed it on okay it is placed it on okay it is placed it on okay file. So it is placed it on okay file. This is the one basic functionality. So we go with okay curl command. So by default is the get is the method. So okay we use it. And okay even in curl command also there are okay many options we are having on curl command. Okay, there are okay few important options on curl command is the syntax of okay curl is curl just okay URL greater than so file name to copy the okay to copy the text into okay file. So for example, okay, if you go with okay hyphen k, we go with okay insecure port. We go with the so okay insecure okay port. So okay, hyphen okay k is nothing but okay insecure okay port. And okay, for example, okay, if you want to okay specify if you want to go with okay verbose mode, so hyphen v. So okay verbose okay mode. So if you want to pass okay username and password, so okay username colon okay password. If you want to pass together, or okay if you are not going to pass the password, just okay username. Then it will ask you to enter the okay password. Password also it will ask you to enter the okay password. So okay, even there are okay lot many options. We are having it on okay curl command. So basically we always use this okay hyphen k. So okay insecure okay mode. So any doubts on okay this okay wget and curl. So over the internet okay if you want to download or if you want to upload the files, then okay we go with okay we go with this. We do have a okay different okay methods as I told you that. So by default if you don't specify any method, so if you don't specify any method, so it will consider it okay it will consider this as a so get method. So by okay get is a okay default method. Get is a default method. So whereas if you want to okay if you want to post the data, then okay we can use this okay post. Get is the one okay then okay post. So what we can use with okay post commands with help of okay post command, we can use to okay we can okay it is used to so okay, it is used to okay send the data okay send the data okay send the data to the okay server. For example, if you want to place the data from okay current Linux server to some specific URL, then okay we go with okay post method. And okay put is a method. It is used to okay there is a difference between that okay get and okay post and okay put. So basically both are okay same. If you go with okay put, so if you go okay put is a kind of it is used to okay update and okay replace the okay if you want to update or okay replace the existing resource okay existing okay resource, we go with we go with okay put method. We go with the okay put method. And okay, we're also having a okay, patch. So we're also okay, having a okay, patch, and okay, we're also okay, having a patch and okay delete. So these are the basic okay different okay methods we're having. So patch is nothing but so if you want to partially update, so okay if you want to okay so okay okay used to partially update the resource or partially update the okay, resource. So what is the meaning of I will try to explain the so differences. So if you go with okay first direct post method, assume that I have a file called okay abc.txt. Now I want to place it on okay now I want to okay place on abc okay I want to place it on okay songs okay I want to place it on ghana.com. So I want to place it on Ghana okay for example. So I have a let's consider, let's take it as a Ghana. So Ghana is a website where we can able to okay download the okay music or we can also hear the music. Now so okay there is a new movie. For example, assume that okay there is a new okay song they have released today. Assume that they have released a new song okay today. So for example, there is a new song okay released today okay from one of the movie. For example, let's take it as okay Kubera and okay, they launch the music. Now, so for example, now if you are going with if you are going with I mean, from your Linux server, if you want to upload this file into to Ghana.com, so if you go with post method, it is used to send the data so over the server. So for example, very first time if you go with a post, so it will try to place that entire file into so website. So put means, so assume that I mean today you are having only two songs. Now there are few more songs they have added. So in this case, if you want to if you want to update or replace the existing resource, for example, there are I mean, so yes, until yesterday the song is not full, it is only the half of the song. So for example, if you want to if you go with a post, first it will try to place it. If you go with a put, so it will try to whether if you want to replace or if you want to update the existing one, we go with a put. So if you go with a patch, so assume that if there are only there are only modifications at so down. For example, there is a song, so as of now 2 minute song only they have released. So now they have added 2 more minutes. So in this case there is only updates to the existing song. So if you go with a patch command, so only it will try to check what are the data is already there and what is the data, new data. It will try to append the data. That is the meaning of so partially update the resource. Put means if you don't know that completely, if you want to replace or if you want to update, that is also we can go with the put command. So you will get a I mean, you need to be remember the so get, post, put, patch, delete. These are the different methods of these are the so different methods of curl commands. So we should also know about all these details. Okay, this is okay. I mean, even wget and curl are the very important commands. So you need to be remember. So even as part of curl command, for example, if you go with curl hyphen help. So as I told you that there are many options on curl command. So hyphen a means append the target. If you want to append it, hyphen a. So if you want to pass the certificates, okay, here what do you mean by certificates? So for example, if you go with Firefox. So for example, if you go with www dot so facebook dot com. So when you click on here, so connection is secure. So we are also having a certificates, right? So if you're having a certificate, for example, let's go with there is a URL www dot online HDFC online HDFC. So for this URL, so there is a security. Okay, they have already enabled the security. So which means that they are going to enable the security. So there is a there are some securities. Okay, there are some certificates. Certificate also they have enabled. Certificate also they have so enabled it. And if you want to download download your monthly statements from Linux system itself, you have to pass your username, password, and passcode. Three you have to pass, and we have to provide that query. So in this case, for example, if you want to pass your username and password, we can use hyphen u, then username and password, and then automatically it will connect. So while downloading the file, if you want to honor the securities, we can also pass the securities. We can also pass the security. In order to pass the security, so we need to use this hyphen cert certificate file. Okay, I mean SSL for certificate file, certificate type, and all those details. Okay, we can able to specify. So from the Linux system itself, if you want to download the files, that can be achieved it by using this curl command. So curl and wgets are the more important commands. So we use it as part of daily operations. So we go with this with this curl and wget commands. So I mean, we don't have a much use cases now, but I'm just providing at high level. So how to download and how to place the files. So I hope it's clear for everyone.